Now we will see the seventh one, that is the interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. The pronoun that are used for asking questions is known as interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun जिसमें कोई भी क्वेश्चंस अगर हम पूछ रहे हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन. These words are, for example, we will see what, who, which, whose, whom, etc. we are using when we are making a question. Interrogative means we are making a question here. Sentence with interrogative pronoun. Who is there? So who is there? What do you want? Which are your books? So these are some sentence of the interrogative pronoun जिसमें हम question बनाते हैं. Now we will see the distributive pronoun. What is distributive pronoun? The pronoun which refers to persons or things one at a time are called distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun means क्या है यहाँ पर? The pronoun which refers to person or things जो एक ही समय पर यहाँ पर बताए गए हैं. Example: either, neither, none, each, any and any, no one. Each we are using where each is used to donate every one of a number of person or things taken single. जब हम किसी एक व्यक्ति, एक पर्सन या थिंग की बात करते हैं तो on that time we are using each. Either means the one or the others of two. तो या दो से अधिक में हम either का यूज करते हैं. Neither, not the one nor the others two. ना तो एक के लिए और ना दो के लिए. And neither is used for the negative. Any, none, no one should be used when more than two or other things are spoken of. जब हम दो या दो से अधिक लोगों के बारे में बात करते हैं तो या फिर थिंग्स के बारे में, so that on that time we are using any, none and no one. Now we will see some sentence of the distributive pronoun. Take either of these two apples. So either is a distributive pronoun. Neither of the two sisters came, so neither is also a distributive pronoun. Each of you can go home. Each is also here a distributive pronoun. No, none of them can do it. None is also a distributive pronoun here. Any of these five girls may sing. So any is also we are using as a distributive pronoun. Now we will see the possessive pronoun. A pronoun that shows possessions or belongingness a sentence is called a possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun क्या होते हैं? When we are talking about our rights, that is called a possessive. जब हमारे belongingness के बारे में बात करते हैं, when we are talking about our rights, so that is called a possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? And the last year also we have studied about the possessive pronoun. And we know about there is a two cases, subjective cases and the possessive cases. In the subjective cases we know three persons are there, that is first person, second person and the third person. In the first person we will see the two cases are there, subjective cases and the possessive. दो cases रहते हैं, एक subject है और दूसरा possessive cases है. जब subject है और जब possessive case में change होता है, so what words we are using or what pronouns we are using on that time? अगर फर्स्ट पर्सन है तो आई भी यूज़ किए जाते हैं और पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन में जब वो कन्वर्ट होता है, सो माई, आर, माई को माइन भी कर सकते हैं और आवर को आर्स भी कह सकते हैं. सेकेंड पर्सन यू, सब्जेक्टिव केस में यू आएगा और पॉसेसिव में चेंज होके वो यू और योर्स हो जाएगा. थर्ड पर्सन they, he, she, it, name. These are the third person and it comes under the subjective case. और जब ये possessive pronoun में होगा तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? they का their या theirs, he, his, him, she, her, hers, it का its. These we are using when we are talking about a possessive pronoun. And some example of the possessive pronoun: that is I do my work. I do my work. So my is a possessive pronoun. We do our work.